Hi, and welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. My name is Tom Fotios, and it is charger time. Keep in mind, our last charger we had last week sold within 24 hours. So if you're interested, call me ASAP. This charger is a very rare unit. It is a 383 4-speed 1968. Remember, we do these videos so you can make a great buying decision on your classic or muscle car investment. And also, look at our feedback. See what our customers are saying about us. They're 100% happy. Look at our video testimonials on our website. They all give us a thumbs up. And we want you to get your muscle car from Vanguard Motor Sales, because that's what we do. We're dedicated to parking your dream in your driveway. And don't worry about buying a classic car online. It's a very easy thing to do. We have 3 easy steps. You make us a deposit. We overnight you the title, wire instructions, so you have the title before you pay us. So that's how we make our customers happy and feel secure. Come on up and let's take a look at this bad charger. Under the hood we have a year-correct 68 383 motor. It's not numbers matching. It was rebuilt in 2010. Original transmission. Keep in mind this is one of 259 orange cars in 68. One of 5 with 4-speed, because there was a strike at the 4-speed plant in 68, so there were very few built. And if you look right here, that signifies it's an extra bracket for the clutch pedal as well. And we do have the fender tag here, so you can see that wonderfully on our website. I'm going to drop the hood. We're going to take a look at the stunning body and take you for a little cruise. This car has a magnificent orange paint job. The paint was laid over a solid steel body. Margins are absolutely phenomenal. Bumpers, chrome trim, gas filler are absolutely beautiful. It's sitting on the Magnums with the Redline tires. This car is surely a dream, you guys. Don't waste time. Call me today. How many times I get the phone call, I should have called sooner. This is one of those cars. You don't want to be the guy saying I should have called you sooner. And also, 7 days a week I answer my phone, so don't wait for regular business hours. Check out the beautiful trunk mat, jack assembly. Absolutely a beautiful, beautiful car here. Check out the beautiful passenger side, same as the driver's side. Absolutely straight, great margins, beautiful paint, just a stunning automobile. If you go on and look at these online, you cannot find nice ones. They're far and few between. The vinyl top is in awesome shape. No rust on this car. Beautiful solid undercarriage, as you can see by our pictures at VanguardMotorsales.com. Check out the beautiful door lips, the beautiful black interior, all the gauges, You know, the gauge is inside the dash. Wonderful 4-speed. The interior is like brand new, guys. And you have seatbelts for everyone. This car brings back childhood memories. It's like being a kid again. Don't be a spectator at a car show. Be the contestant and win trophies with this gorgeous 68 rare 4-speed orange Charger.